Namaste. I welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 10th September 2020. Now, I would request Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam to tell us about today's Panchang.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2077, शक संवत 1942, आश्विन मास के कृष्ण पक्ष की अष्टमी तिथि है। आज के नक्षत्र पर यदि चर्चा की जाए तो आज का नक्षत्र रोहिणी और आज का योग वज्र है। प्रविष्टि की यदि बात की जाए तो भाद्रपद मास के 26 प्रविष्टे आज घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह मुहर्रम की आज 21 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, sir, for making us aware about today's Panchang. Now, it's the time to start our prayer. First of all, Gayatri Mantra will be chanted. After that, we will recite Shabad. I request you to cover your heads while Shabad recitation. Then, we will chant Astoma Sadgamya, and after that, national anthem will be sung. So let's start our prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes be ready for prayer.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरपौ निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच। सोचे सोच न होवई जे सोचे लखवार चुप्पे चुप न होवई जे लाए रहा लिवतार भुखिया भुख न उतरी जे बन्ना पुरिया पार सहज सियाणपा लख होए ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਨ ਚੱਲੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਵ ਸਚਿਆਰਾ ਹੋਈਏ ਕਿਵ ਕੂੜੇ ਟੁੱਟੇ ਪਾਰ ਹੁਕਮ ਰਜਾਈ ਚੱਲਣਾ ਨਾਨਕ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਨਾਮ ਹੁਕਮੀ ਹੋਵਨ ਆਕਾਰ ਹੁਕਮ ਨ ਕਹਿਆ ਜਾਏ ਹੁਕਮੀ ਹੋਵਨ ਜੀ ਹੁਕਮ ਮਿਲੇ ਵਡਿਆਈ ਹੁਕਮੀ ਉੱਤਮ ਨੀਚ ਹੁਕਮ ਲਿਖ ਦੁਖ ਸੁਖ ਪਾਈਐ ਇੱਕ ਨਾ ਹੁਕਮੀ ਬਖਸ਼ੀਸ਼ ਇੱਕ ਹੁਕਮੀ ਸਦਾ ਪਵਾਈਐ ਹੁਕਮੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਸਭ ਕੋ ਬਾਹਰ ਹੁਕਮ ਨ ਕੋਏ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੁਕਮੇ ਜੇ ਬੁਝੇ ਤਾਂ ਹਉਮੈ ਕਹੇ ਨ ਕੋਏ
अस्तो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Now, I would invite Priyanka, a student of class +1 science, to tell us about some scientific facts. Namaste, Priyanka.
Namaste, Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my fellow friends. I am Priyanka of +1 Science and here to throw light on the topic physics in our daily life. Physics is considered natural science because it deals with the things like matter, force, energy, and motion. As these all are tasks related to everyday life, so we can say that physics studies how the universe works, how Earth moves around the sun, how lightning strikes, how a refrigerator works, and many more. In short, physics defines how everything works around us. We cannot separate anything from science, and our world cannot disconnect itself from the wonders of physics. When we look around, we can see a number of things that work on the principle of physics. We can explain our several activities by making use of knowledge of physics. For example, cutting of fruits and vegetables. When we cut fruits and vegetables, we never realize that physics could be involved in this simple task. But surely it is. In order to cut anything, we have to exert pressure on knife. When we increase the pressure, we can cut an object easily. Pressure is dependent on force and area. That is, directly dependent on force and inversely dependent on area. In simple terms, we can say that when we exert more force, we can cut an object easily, but if same force is applied with a knife with thicker edges, we cannot. From experiences, we learn that the knives which have edges with smaller surface areas can help to cut an object easily. Similarly, we can cut easily with a sharper knife than blunt. The blunt knife often makes friction due to its rough edges thus making it difficult to cut an object. Another example is seeing. Our eyes are an incredible gift by God. We see wonders of the world by this small organ. When we talk about parts of body and their function, it is generally concept that we are talking about biology, but we neglect the fact that functions of a body parts are also working under the laws of chemistry and physics. If we talk about the sense of seeing, we come to know that our eyes work as a camera to see things around us. The lens in our eyes is convex, that is, it converts or focuses light. When light enters our eye, cornea and lenses focus the light. Iris control the amount of light entering the eye, and iris create an image on retina which is real and inverted, that is, like in camera. The image of light is converted into electrical signal by photoreceptors and then sent to vision center of brain by optic nerve. The vision center analyzes the electrical signal and arranges it into its original form, that is, to be seen by eye. The image we see is due to the amount of light reflected from that object. This is the reason why we cannot see in the dark. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Priyanka. Now, I would invite Charvi, a student of class 3rd B, to tell us a new word for the day. Namaste, Charvi.
Namaste, I am Charvi of class 3rd B. Today's word is numerous. Its synonym is many, antonym is few. Example, numerous stars were visible in the sky.
Thank you, Charvi. Today is the birthday of Shubhendu Das, 7th B, and Harjot Singh, 9th B. Let's wish them by singing our birthday song. I request all of you to sing with us and bless them.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and parents all are giving their blessings to you on your birthday. Once again, I wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you all. That's it for today. We will meet tomorrow at the same time. Thank you.